When Drive Hub is installed, you remove the need to have drivers in hard to reach places. All the drivers are removed from the space, just leaving the more reliable LED heads. Most of the time, lighting is by nature installed at height, so removing the need for servicing in the main lighting space has clear benefits from a safety perspective. Being low voltage, Drive Hub does not have the same electrical dangers associated with normal mains voltage lighting systems, and this has a big impact on increasing safety for the install and maintenance team. Drive Hub is also designed for parts to be hot swapped safely without having to remove covers and expose potentially dangerous voltages. Drive Hub is a reliable, cost-effective drive system that will ensure your lights are always on. Welcome to the future of lighting.